Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of psychology. We're going to talk about a trend that affects all of us. Cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance is a psychological state that occurs when our beliefs, values, or attitudes conflict with our behavior. This dissonance creates a feeling of discomfort or tension, which we try to reduce in order to restore cognitive consistency. The concept of cognitive dissonance was first introduced by social psychologist Leon Festinger in 1957 in his book, A Theory of Cognitive Dissonance. Festinger proposed that people strive for internal consistency in their beliefs and attitudes, and that when they encounter information that challenges their beliefs, they experience a state of anxiety or dissonance. Experience. There are several ways that people can experience cognitive dissonance. 1. Holding conflicting beliefs. When a person holds two beliefs that are mutually exclusive, such as, I like to eat meat, and, I believe that animals should be treated with respect and kindness. 2. Behavior contrary to beliefs. When an individual's behavior conflicts with their beliefs, such as, I think exercise is important for health, but rarely exercise. How to overcome cognitive dissonance. To overcome cognitive dissonance, individuals can use several strategies, including 1. Changing their behavior. Conforming to their beliefs. 2. Changing their beliefs. Be more consistent with their behavior. 3. Justifying their behavior. By rationalizing or making excuses for their behavior. 4. Refusal of disagreement. By refusing to admit inconsistency. Examples. Some examples of cognitive dissonance are 1. Smoking and health. A person knows that smoking is bad for his health, but he continues to smoke anyway. 2. Environmentalism and SUVs. A person values environmental sustainability, but drives a gas-guzzling SUV. 3. Food and health. A person knows that their diet is unhealthy, but they continue to eat junk food and processed snacks. 4. Exercise and leisure. 5. Honesty and lies. A person values honesty, but may tell white lies or exaggerate the truth to avoid conflict or gain approval. 6. Animal rights and consumption of meat. A person believes in animal rights, but still eats meat and animal products. 7. Religion and controversial behavior. A person has strong religious beliefs, but engages in behaviors that conflict with those beliefs, such as cheating or lying. 8. Politics and hypocrisy. A person holds strong political beliefs, but engages in behaviors that conflict with those beliefs, such as accepting campaign donations from special interest groups. 9. Education and delay. A person values education, but procrastinates and postpones important assignments or studies. 10. Affairs and infidelity. A person values their relationship, but engages in infidelity or cheating on their partner. These examples illustrate how cognitive dissonance can manifest in different areas of life, creating distress, guilt, and rationalization. Quote, how to reduce cognitive dissonance. Here are some methods to reduce cognitive dissonance. 1. Changing behavior. Align your actions with your beliefs and values. 2. Changing beliefs. Reevaluate your beliefs and values so that they are more consistent with your behavior. 3. Justifying behavior. Rationalize your behavior by making excuses or justifications. 4. Avoid disagreement. Avoid or ignore conflicting information. 5. Seek support. Surround yourself with people who share your beliefs and values. 6. Practice self-reflection. Acknowledge and confront your conflicting beliefs and values. 7. Find new information. Expose yourself to new information that can help resolve disagreements. 8. Changing environment. Remove yourself from situations that create discord. 9. Practice mindfulness. Increase awareness of your thoughts and feelings to reduce dissonance. 10. Get professional help. Consult a therapist or counselor to work through imbalances. Remember, reducing cognitive dissonance requires acknowledging and confronting conflicting beliefs and values. By taking these steps, can relieve pain, increase consistency and improve mental well-being. Consequences of cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance can have many consequences, including 1. Mental distress, feelings of worry, guilt, shame, or stress. 2. Rationalization, making excuses or justifications to avoid suffering. 3. Rejection, avoiding or ignoring conflicting information. 4. Confirmation bias, seeking information that confirms existing beliefs. 5. Cognitive bias, biased thinking and decision-making. 6. Emotional distress, increased stress, anxiety, or depression. 7. Attitude changes, changing behavior to conform to conflicting beliefs. 8. Relationship conflicts, conflicts with other people who hold different beliefs. 9. Self-doubt, questioning one's own beliefs, values, or judgment. 10. Personal development, opportunities for self-reflection, learning and personal growth. 11. Mental health effects, links to mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. 12. Impacts of decision-making, effects on decision-making, problem-solving, and critical thinking. Remember, cognitive dissonance is a natural psychological phenomenon, and recognizing and addressing it can lead to personal growth, better mental health, and more consistent beliefs and behaviors. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further information about psychology.